So I'm going to show you how to remove the blower from a '04 Chevy Express. It's probably the same from since when they were made until 2039, which is when they're going to stop. I think it's 2039. First thing you need to do is remove this 10mm bolt right here. Remove this hose. Very easy, just twist it and pull it off. This just pulls out of here like this. There's going to be another hose on the bottom of it, and that just connects right here. You can just set this off to the side. And here's the blower. You can remove this plug. And you have three 7/32 bolts holding this in. There, there, and one down here on the bottom. And there's this hose which will just pop off, and then the blower is out. Of course, you just reverse the process to put it back together. Hopefully this helped you, whether you're replacing your blower, doing something else in there, or cleaning out a mouse nest. This is your fan speed resistor for your future references. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Subscribe for more if you like this. Goodbye.